Welcome back to Morrocco Method, where natural things happen. I'm Anthony Morrocco, CEO and founder of Morrocco Method International, over 55 years making 100% all natural hair care products. And I'm still here at 80. So let's keep healthy, happy, and strong together. All right, so we're at questions and answers. So send us your questions below, comment section. So this question is coming in from Olivia. Olivia is saying, I've been struggling with dandruff and dry scalp. What products do you recommend I use? The best shampoo is pine shale. So pine shale's designed for dandruff and dry scalp. Then you can alternate sea shampoo. That would be a really good one. Apple cider vinegar. That would be a real good one. Zen Detox to the rescue. That would really help the dandruff a lot. Look at our videos on Zen Detox. They're very informative. You can do that like once a month. So now it's spring, lots of energy. It's a good time to do Zen. Do that once a month the next 4 months, right until summer. That would really be very helpful. And also, are you brushing? So you want to get a really natural boar bristle brush. Morrocco Method carries them, all 100% pure boar bristle, to get the natural sebaceous glands active, to get the oil glands active. And then we have a natural scalp massager, all rubber. And you can try our Euro organic oil. That's really good. Or you can try our elixirs. Again, watch the videos. It would be really good to go into the God and Goddess 4 elixir series with our elixirs. So that should keep you supplied for the rest of the summer. That'll definitely take care of the dandruff. Most people say within 2 months, the dandruff is gone from using the best shampoos, brushing, scalp massage, and Zen Detox is really, really great with all the natural clays from Europe. All right, let's make it happen. All right. We have a question coming in from Carla. She's asking, I have very curly hair and use silicone to tame it, but I want to reset every week before I reapply. Will Morrocco Method shampoos be able to remove the silicone from my hair? Or what should I use to clarify? Again, I would alternate all 5 shampoos. And if not, then the strongest ones would be the earth shampoo, apple cider vinegar shampoo, and our pine shale. So cycle those 3 in every time you shampoo. Zen Detox would be the best clarifier of all. And you can use that once or twice a month. Watch the videos on Zen Detox. It has to be hydrated because it's all natural clays from Europe, thousands of years old. Very, very healing clays. Leave it overnight, let it sit for 24, better even 72 hours till it turns into a cream. Then use that. Whatever's left over, you can just leave it in a glass bowl, not plastic. And then anytime you want to reuse it, you just add water. It'll turn into cream within a couple of hours for reuse. So that's the best way to clarify your hair. All right, Carla, let's be healthy, happy, and strong. Thank you. Also, you're asking, what are the best products safe for semi-permanent dyes such as watercolor? So all of our shampoos and conditioners are color safe. So you can use any of our 5 shampoos or conditioners. That'll really be very good for any type of semi-permanent dyes. My strong suggestion, of course, everyone knows me, is to use our natural henna. Henna is all 100% plant-based, very safe, and it'll give you natural hair. Nice, soft, beautiful, luxurious, natural hair. So I would come out of the permanent dyes, even any of those, bleaches, dyes. We have thousands and thousands of women who basically say, I've used your henna and I will never dye my hair ever again. So at least watch our videos on henna and listen to some of our comments from our clients. You really want to have really luxurious, natural looking hair. We have 7 colors, so we have a lot to choose from. We have a question coming in from Amanda. Amanda's asking, can I freeze henna so I don't have to mix it every time that I want to cover my roots? No. Henna is 100% plant, natural. We don't add any additives or chemicals to our henna. and it will not freeze, because you need that 100% power from the henna. As soon as you hydrate it, watch our videos, how to mix. Then once it's hydrated, it needs to sit for a period of time, and then it needs to be used immediately. So no, do not freeze our henna. That will not have any power when you reuse it. Not going to really do very much. But henna has been used for thousands of years, going back to Cleopatra. So it's 100% plant-based. We get our henna from India, the most natural organic farm that we can find. The most healthy, healing hair color ever, right from Mother Nature. Let's be healthy, happy, have luxurious hair, very naturally beautiful, especially coming in from the roots now with spring equinox. We have the whole spring is very powerful. So you really want to trim and cut your hair during the lunar calendar dates. All right, I wish you health, happiness, and well-being.